Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I'm gonna make egg curry which will help you in breakfast. You can make this recipe in breakfast very easily and very quickly, and definitely you will enjoy this. So first of all, I'm making for 4 eggs. If you want 8 or 16 or 12 eggs, so just multiply the ingredients. So here I have 1 medium onion, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon, or as you like, red chili powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are adding the oil. If you want 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, here I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So first of all, we have to just brown the onions. Fry it until golden brown. Then add all the spices and salt to taste. Saute for 5 to 6 minutes all the spices. Add some water. Now add half teaspoon of allspice powder. Then add 1 cup of water. Then give it a boil. After boiling, add the egg. Make sure break your egg in a pot. Then add in your curry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm covering it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our curry is perfectly cooked and done. It's really quick and yummy recipe. You will definitely like to enjoy in your breakfast. Guys, our recipe is done and it's really awesome in taste. You will definitely gonna enjoy it. And if you want it more spicy, you just have to add your green chilies. Just give it a cut and add it. Some coriander leaves and green chilies. Now it's the first pass of breakfast recipe. I'm gonna share you more recipes for breakfast, inshallah. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, and share. Share it with your family and friends and share your experience with me. Now wait for the second part. I'm gonna upload that on tomorrow, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.